In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to request a trade in NBA 2K26. If you played 2K25, you know this was a big complaint. A lot of people wanted to switch teams mid-season, but the game just didn't let you. You had to wait until free agency. So let's see if 2K26 changed anything. First thing, go into My Career, scroll down to Career Features. Normally this is where you'd expect to see stuff like contract, trade request, all the management tools. But if you look closely, the option to request a trade just isn't there. So yeah, that means just like last year, you still can't request a trade during the season in 2K26. The only way to leave a team is to finish the season, head into the off season and then sign with a new team through free agency. Kinda disappointing, right? Because in the real NBA, trade requests happen all the time. It would definitely make My Career feel more realistic if they added it, but for now it's basically the same deal as 2K25. So if you're hoping for that feature this year, it's not in the game. Maybe 2K27 will finally bring it back. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.